Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. This video shows how to disassemble the steering lock mechanism on your Zontes ride. But as with all mechanical parts, preventative measures will lead you not to get to this point in the first place. But for all you geeks out there, then this video will aid you to identify and strip apart your Zontes steering lock. But the kicker is, prevention is better than cure. Picture this. You're ready to ride your Zontes scooter, you twist the key, and suddenly the steering lock decides to play statue. Not exactly the start you were hoping for. Today we're giving that lock the VIP treatment with WD-40, because a smooth lock means a smooth life. Your steering lock isn't just a piece of metal. It's your bike's bodyguard, the silent protector that keeps thieves from wheeling off with your pride and joy. But here's the catch. Rain, dust, and grime love to sneak inside. Over time, the lock gets stiff, sticky, and eventually refuses to budge. Imagine being late for work and your scooter says, "Nope, not today." That's why keeping it clean and lubricated isn't optional. It's essential. And this is where WD-40 steps in. It's not just for squeaky doors. A quick spray dissolves gunk, pushes out moisture, and lays down a protective shield against rust. Think of it as a spa day for your steering lock. A little spritz, a gentle wiggle of the key, and suddenly the lock feels brand new. Smooth, reliable, and ready whenever you are. Here's how you do it. Attach the straw nozzle so you can be precise. Give the lock a light spray, then turn the key a few times to spread the magic. That's it. No fuss, no drama. And remember, less is more. WD-40 is a helper, not a swimming pool. A little goes a long way. So next time you park your Zontes, remember this. A clean, lubricated steering lock is the difference between a smooth exit and a comedy sketch of you wrestling your own bike. WD-40, because your scooter deserves smooth moves too. And if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join me for more tips to keep your ride running smooth. See you next time.
I'm coming for the throne.